Welcome back. So we will today see Python programming 08. So we will today see how to make the Python code make decisions. To make decision, we should use Boolean data type or expressions that results in single Boolean value. So such as if x is greater than y, do this, or if x is less than this, do that. Like kind of branching expressions you should be able to make. Boolean variables and expressions are either true or false. We have the computer run different code based on true and false condition. That is what I told. If it is if a is less than 10, I will walk this direction, and if a is less than 10, I will walk in that direction. That is kind of branching statement. Okay. So some Boolean expression which we can use is equal to, that is 4 equal to. So this expression is true when we give 4 and 4 on the both sides. But if this becomes false, if it is like this, that is 4 equal to 3. So then now not equal to 4 not equal to 3, that is true. 4 not equal to 4, but that expression becomes false. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are the basic Boolean commands which we will use in Python. So examples, you can type in your console and see what 4 equal to 4 will return you true, 4 greater than 5 will return you false, etc. 3 equal to 3, that means even Boolean strings can be compiled. So decision making code, you can try this particular thing. So printf, what is your age? So it will print what is your age and take the input from the keyboard. Input of this we have already learned. Adult is equal to age greater than or equal to 18. Okay, if adult, so this will be returning a true when the age entered is greater than or equal to 18. So it will return a false if the age entered is less than 18. Okay, so if true, print you are an adult, else you print you are a child. Okay, so this experiment, this exercise you can try and do. This is a very simple exercise which demonstrates the decision making using a if-else statement and a Boolean expression as mentioned. So this you can try. So now we'll see loops in Python. Okay, so loops in Python, we have seen one decision making thing which is if-else. Now we'll see loops, kind of while loop, for loop, etc. So here in program we are trying to, n is equal to 5 we have initialized, while n is equal to n greater than 0, print n minus 1, print blast off, print n. So 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it will blast off because it will not be greater than 0. Once it becomes equal to 0, it will blast off and then it will print. Otherwise, so you can see here repeated steps have iteration variables that can change each time through a loop. Often these iteration variables go through a sequence of numbers. That numbers is displayed here. Every time it will print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and at this point it will print blast off. Okay, you can see and try and print this. It is like this. The flowchart will look like this in the left hand side. And infinite loop, so you never stop the loop, it will become infinite loop. So it will never, you are not going to n is always 5, so you are not changing the n inside the loop, means that will always repeat the same. Okay, it will not go to this particular statement because there is no statement telling that n is changed. Okay, that is wrong in the loop. Yeah, you are not changing n, that's a breakout of a loop. So break statement ends the current loop and jumps to the statement immediately following the loop. Okay, while true, line is equal to input, If line is done, break. You will break it and print line. Print done. Okay. So you can break it. If line is equal to done, if you are giving done, then it will come out of the loop. Okay. Break. It will print line. Okay. So you can experiment all those things. Break out. Symbol infinite loop, for I in 5 4 3 2 1 in open brackets, print I 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, and then finally it will print blast off. Okay, so this is the single statement loop which print I. Definite loop is strings also possible. Friends is equal to Sri Arjun Sachin. For friends in friends, friend in friends, print Happy New Year friend. Done. So you can experiment this in the console and see what you are getting as a print. Search using a Boolean variable, that is another important thing. So here this is our output, but here you see the code. Found is equal to false. I am initializing found equal to false. Print before found. So we are printing this found false. For value in 9, 41, 12, 3, 74, 15, if the value is equal to 3, found is equal to true. So if this value is equal to 3, found will become true. Earlier the found was false, right? Now inside the loop itself you print found value. What is the current value? Okay. After, what is the found value? So if it has a 3, initially it will go 9, then it will be still false. Okay. And after it reaches this 3, you will find it being a true. Okay, like this. False 9, false 41, false 12, true 13, true 74, true 15. Why? Because once it changes to true, it will remain true. Okay. Finding the smallest value. Smallest value so far is initialized to -1. Print before smallest, so far it will be -1. And then I have array of number, and then if num is less than smallest so far, you toggle the numbers. That is the logic. So if you have smallest value is -1, you compare it with 9, first value 9. Okay, and 9 and -1, which is smaller, -1 itself. So we don't do anything. But if -1 is some number is there which is -7, so -7 will be less. So you swap those numbers and put it like that. So you can find the smallest number like this, or you can use any logic, but the only thing you want to learn how to use this for loop comment. So just to summarize, you have a while loop, you have infinite loop using break, using continue. Okay, for loops, finite iteration variables. Okay, smallest and largest number. So just go through this. Are little advanced topic, but you can just go through it. Okay, thank you.